car inventions that you should see. Buckle up and get ready for a wild ride. While your car is chilling in the garage, hop on board with us as we unveil some crazy vehicles that you will want to ride. Get ready for goosebumps of excitement and wonder as we take you on a journey like no other. 12. Nexus. Ever dreamt of owning a car designed by Anto Lin's board of directors? While they may not have built the whole car yet, they've certainly made waves with their latest creation, a futuristic door panel that's more than meets the eye. But here's the twist. Can you imagine a door panel that not only adds a decorative touch, but also serves as a multifunctional hub for your car's interior? Colored indicators that double as turn signals and warning lights, alerting you to potential dangers on the road. This innovative panel also displays the rear-view camera feed and controls for your music player, keeping you entertained and informed without distracting you from the road ahead. 11. MSA PowerFold Towing Mirror. Imagine having side mirrors that are not only larger, but also extend out further from your car, giving you better control over your cargo. And get this, they can even fold in remotely if you're driving through tight spots with trees. 10. Moki. Ever wished you could find someone to watch over your car keys like a guardian angel? Well, now you can with Moki. But here's the twist. Can you imagine having a handy little device that you can keep in your car ready to take care of locking and unlocking your doors for you? Picture this. You simply pop your keys into a slot and Moki does the rest, pressing the buttons for you. And get this, you can control it all from your phone using Bluetooth. But here's the kicker. What if you forget your phone? Moki's got you covered with its automatic locking feature. It's like having your own personal car caretaker, making life a little easier one lock at a time. So, are you ready to let Moki take the wheel and keep your car safe and sound? 9. ARB Attitude. Can you imagine sleeping in a tent that sits on top of your car? Picture this. ARB's new Attitude tent is a breeze to set up with just a push of a button. No more fussing with tent poles or stakes. Just unfold it like a roof rack and you're good to go. And get this, it's only accessible by ladder, keeping you safe from curious critters. Unless they're after your car, of course. Plus, at over 2 meters long and 1.5 meters wide, it's spacious enough for a cozy night's sleep. So, are you ready to take your camping game to new heights with ARB's Altitude tent? 8. Anto Lin's innovative door panel. Let's dive into Anto Lin's groundbreaking door panel innovation. While they haven't built a whole car yet, they've created something truly remarkable. A door panel that's not just a regular accessory, it's a multitasking marvel. Can you imagine having colored indicators on your door that act as turn signals and warnings, like having an extra set of eyes on the road? 7. Shore Call Cell Phone Signal Booster. So are you ready to never miss a moment, whether you're capturing breathtaking mountain views or sharing your road trip adventures with friends? Introducing the Shore Call Cell Phone Signal Booster, a game changer for travelers and adventurers everywhere. Can you imagine saying goodbye to dropped calls and poor reception as this nifty gadget boosts your phone signal to a solid 4 bars? 6. Fast Top Modular Truck Topper. Get ready for the Fast Top Modular Truck Topper, a game changer for pickup truck owners everywhere. Can you imagine never struggling to cover your cargo again or worrying about your gear being exposed to the elements? With its smart folding design, this bed cover instantly turns your pickup into a fully covered van. And get this, it even has removable sidewalls and customizable options. 5. Cargo Ease Hitch Crane. Introducing the Cargo Ease Hitch Crane, a must-have for enthusiasts everywhere. Can you imagine saying goodbye to back strain and heavy lifting struggles? With its lightweight yet strong design and easy hydraulic system, this crane can lift up to 227 kilograms of gear effortlessly. So, are you ready to have your own personal assistant for all your heavy lifting needs? whether you're loading up building supplies or hauling equipment for your next project. 4. Luminec. Can you imagine windows with capacitive touch displays that work even when they're part of laminated multi-glazed windows? You can see these displays from both inside and outside the vehicles, no matter how big or differently shaped they are. And the best part? You can do all sorts of things with these displays, like checking the weather or setting up a code lock for keyless access. So, are you ready to see the world through a whole new window with Luminex's smart technology? 3. Gentex Dimmable Glass System. If you weren't impressed by Luminex's smart windows, but you're craving more privacy, then you'll want to check out the products from the American company Gentex. Can you believe their blackout windows are so effective that even Mercedes-Benz is using them? Their secret sauce lies in the electrochromic darkening technology, which can be applied to windows, hatches, headlights, and visors. Plus, with a microprocessor ensuring safety by preventing glare at night, these dimmable windows also come with added perks like reducing the need for air conditioning and saving fuel. So, are you ready to dim the lights and enhance your privacy with Gentex's innovative glass solutions? 2. Turn Off-Road's TR10 Series Hardtop. Get ready for a showdown. China has just unveiled a mini electric car priced at $4,500, while an American website offers a roof for a Ford Bronco at the same price. But here's the twist. Can you decide which is better? The debate is heating up. On one hand, the copywriters behind the roof put in some serious effort, highlighting features like antimicrobial protection, gas shock absorbers, and military-grade materials. Plus, it's a breeze to install, with all the necessary equipment included. 1. Electric Side Step. Have you ever noticed how newer models of cars like the Volkswagen Golf and Range Rover are getting bigger and taller? Take the Ford F650 pickup, for instance. Can you believe that these steps are here to stay? Even the compact versions can handle a load of 250 kilograms. Plus, they slide in and out with the doors opening and closing, making life easier. So, are you ready to step up to the challenge of these bigger and taller cars? From smart windows to dimmable glass systems, these innovations are revolutionizing the way we drive. But don't just take our word for it, see them in action for yourself. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on the coolest car inventions out there.